3, 2, 1. Welcome to Spanish with Dennis, guys. And today we are going to do the second part of filler words in Spanish. If you haven't watched the lesson number 1, the other video with the first part when we talk about different filler words, you can watch this video here in the description, guys, because this is the number 2, lesson number 2. And today the number 1 is mira. Mira. Mira is like look. Or it can be see or watch, but like filler words is more like look. For example, you say to someone, mira, tenemos que hablar. Mira, no me gusta esa película. Mira, yo no quiero ver este video. Yes, like look, I don't like, look, I don't want to watch this. Yes, I think you have the same in English. The number 2 today is vale. Vale is like, okay, good. Vale, vamos a tener una clase mañana. Vale, nos vemos a las 5 de la tarde. Vale is a filler word if you didn't know about that. And the number 3 today is a ver. A ver, yo tengo que decirles algo muy importante. A ver, a mí no me gusta esa película. A ver, a mí no me gusta como tú hablas. A ver is like, let's see. Let's see, maybe you had this one in English. Let's see. A ver, yo no quiero seguir hablando. Número 4 is digamos. Digamos is like, let's say. Digamos que ustedes hablan muy bien español y yo no quiero hablar. Digamos que yo terminé este video. Digamos que tenemos que seguir. And the number 5 today is dale. Dale is very interesting word. I like it. Dale is like got it or okay, different context. Dennis, yo quiero tener una clase contigo mañana. And I say, dale, nos vemos mañana. Dale, hablamos después. Dale, yo te llamo más tarde. Dale. It's like, okay, can be like, let's go, like, let's do it, different context. And what we did today, mira, vale, a ver, digamos y dale. Filler words that we used with our stop, guys. And now you know it. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? It was useful? You knew some of them, maybe all of them. Maybe you want more videos about filler words, write to me and I will do it with pleasure, guys. And remember that if you know someone that is learning Spanish, a friend, someone in your family, just share this video. Maybe it will be useful for them too. And like and subscribe for future content, guys. See you in the next video. Hasta la próxima. Nos vemos. Dale. Ahí nos vemos. Mira, hemos terminado. Digamos que nos vamos a ver en el próximo video. And remember that if you haven't watched the lesson number 1 with filler words, you can watch that video is here. You can watch now and learn some interesting filler words in Spanish like in this video. So go and watch now if you want to know. Hasta la vista. Dale.